Hi, before we start with the video, make sure to join the Discord server, Strawberry Cafe. Reasons why you should join this server is because we host frequently Nitro giveaways, have an active chat and many unique features. The link is in the description down below. Now let's begin with the video. In this video, I will show you how you can make welcome messages with the Invite Tracker bot. First, go to the website of the Invite Tracker bot. The link is in the description. Now click on Invite and select the server where you want the welcome messages to be in. Now go back to Discord and make a new channel. If you want the messages to be public, I suggest to call the channel Welcome. If you want the message to be private, I suggest to call the channel Join Logs. If you want the channel to be private, go to the channel settings and turn off the View Channel Permission for everyone. You can choose if you want the welcome messages to be public or private. I want the welcome messages from the Invite Tracker bot to be private so I can keep track of how people join my Discord server. This is a good way to know how people join your Discord server. If you know that, you can improve the growth of your Discord server so you get more members in it. If you want the welcome messages to be public for everyone, I suggest to watch this video, since that video is for public welcome messages. The link is in the description. Now go back to the Invite Tracker website and click on Dashboard. Now select the server where you want the welcome messages to be in. Click on Join Messages. Now turn on the Join Messages and select the channel you want the messages to be in. Now click on Test Message to test the message. Go back to Discord. Now everything is done. Thanks for watching and remember to join the Discord server, Strawberry Cafe. The link is in the description down below. Bye.